Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add or remove any contact from favorite on WhatsApp. So for that just open your WhatsApp account. When you open this, if you want to add any number or any contact in your favorite list, scroll down and here you can see at the top there are four options. First one is all, unread, and third one is favorites. And you can see there is no contact in my favorite list. Now if you want to add contact in your favorite list, for that just click on contact, and at the top right side there are three dots. Just click on these three dots and just simply click on add to favorites. When you click on this, now again go to favorite section, and here you can see the contact has been added into my favorite list. Now if you want to remove that contact from your favorite list or any contact from your favorite list, just press and hold. Again click on top right side three dots and just simply click on remove from favorites. Now you can see this contact or number has been removed from my favorite list. So this is the way how you can add or remove any contact or any number from your favorite list.